In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 simple numbers that really matter in Google Ads so you can manage your campaigns like a pro without feeling overwhelmed by the dashboard. You will learn which metrics actually tell you if your ads are making money, how those numbers connect to each other, and how to read them in a simple weekly report. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to look at to make smarter decisions, cut waste, and grow your results with clarity. So stay with us. If you track these 5 numbers, you can manage Google Ads like a pro. Because Google Ads is not about clicks, impressions, or fancy charm. It is about business growth, and that starts with tracking the right numbers. Most business owners feel overwhelmed when they open Google Ads. Too many charts, too many numbers, too many acronyms. And the problem is, Google shows you everything except what actually matters for your business. So today I will show you the 5 numbers you must track if you want to manage Google Ads like a true decision maker, not like an operator, not like a freelancer, but like a business owner. I will show you how these numbers connect to each other and how you can create a very simple weekly reporting system to track performance without confusion. The 5 metrics that really matters, now I'm describing it one by one. So number 1 is cost per click. This shows how much you are paying to bring one person to your website. It does not tell you profit, but it tells you how expensive your market is. Number 2 is conversion rate. This tells you how many visitors actually take action. Action means filling a form, booking a call, purchasing a product, or signing up. This is where the magic starts because conversion rates tell you the quality of your traffic and the strength of your landing page. Number 3, cost per conversion or cost per lead or cost per sale. So this is where most business owners should focus. It tells you exactly how much it costs to generate one real lead, one real customer, or one real sale. This number must always be compared with your profit margin. Number 4, return on ad spend. If you spend $1,000 and made $5,000 from that campaign, so your ROAS would be 5 into. This is the real business metric, not clicks, not impression, only money in, money out. Number 5, customer value. We also called it AOV, CLV, or lifetime value. This tells you how much one average customer is actually worth to your business. If your customer value is high, you can afford a higher cost per conversion or higher CPA and still stay profitable. This is where smart scaling begins. Now let me show you how these 5 numbers connect with each other. Cost per click and conversion rate together create your cost per lead. If your cost per click is high but your conversion rate is strong, CPA can still be profitable. But if your cost per click is low but your conversion rate is weak, CPA will still be expensive. So money is not decided by clicks, it is decided by conversion quality and customer value. Cost per conversion and customer value together decide your profitability. If one customer brings you $100 in profit and it costs you $60 to get that customer, you are still profitable, even if clicks are expensive. This is how business owners should judge Google Ads, not by clicks, not by impressions, but by profit. Simple weekly reporting system. Here is how you can track Google Ads like a business owner, not just an ad manager. Every week, just monitor these 5 numbers: cost per click, conversion rate, cost per conversion, total revenue generated, and ROAS. That's it. When these numbers improve, your business grows. When these numbers drop, you know exactly where the problem is. You do not need complicated dashboard. You do not need 10 pages agency report. All you need is clarity. If you want a simplified Google Ads dashboard where you can see all these numbers clearly for your business, send me a message and I can set it up for you. And if you are a learner or a marketer and you want to track these KPI for your client, I have created a performance report sheet for you. You can download it from the link given in the description below. Subscribe if you want to learn Google Ads not just as a platform but as a business growth tool. See you in the next video.